Hello and welcome to this free 50-hour TEFL course. The aim of this course is to empower teachers out there who are looking to get some kind of professional development, are interested in furthering their skills and their knowledge, and to be able to do that without spending any money. And that was the aim of this project, is just to make things completely free for you so you can develop your skills and improve in the classroom. So who is this course for? So this course is for two different groups of people. It's for people, number one, it's for people who have never taught before, are interested in TEFL and are looking to kind of get their toes wet before embarking on a longer full course in order to get qualified to go overseas to teach. The second group of people that this course is for are for existing teachers who are just interested in furthering themselves, brushing up their skills and just having a refresher, but hopefully learning tons of new stuff that you've never learned before. So welcome to the course. I hope that you enjoy it. On this course you're going to be learning 5 different modules. These are, number one, supplementary materials and language games, how you can use language games and different supplementary materials in your classroom to further yourself, and we'll go through in later videos in this course in a little bit more detail about what that means. The second unit, or the second module on this course, is classroom management, how you can improve your classroom management to make things run a little bit more smoothly, give yourself less headaches and hopefully give your learners a better experience within the classroom. Third module is on lesson planning, procedures, techniques, things that you can look at using reflection in order to make your future classes much better. The fourth module on this course is about how to teach speaking and how to teach writing. This is by far the longest unit on the course, well over 100 pages, and you're going to learn tons no matter how long you've been teaching for. And the fifth and final module on this course is all about teaching vocabulary and the importance of teaching vocabulary explicitly. So that's it. That's the very quick intro. Welcome to the course, and if you've got any problems, just reach out to me and I'll be right there to help you.